All right, boys and girls, here we are. It's day 3 of math class, and we're back at it. All right, so I know yesterday I felt like you really started to understand how these place values was working, and how to getting into the concepts better. So it means the rust is coming off. You're starting to get back to where you were. You have to trust the process, and you have to be great listeners. You have to do it. The better listeners you are, the easier and quicker you'll understand the concepts we're teaching in math, okay? So here's today's I can statement. It's I can name numbers within 1 million by building understanding of the place value chart and placement of commas for naming base 1,000 units. That is a lot to say for something that, in my opinion, I think is pretty straightforward, okay? So basically what we're going to do is write down bunches of numbers, put our commas in the correct space, and then be able to say that number with confidence, okay? So today we're going to be using a place value chart that looks like this to help us with naming the numbers and to become better at and more confident in saying large numbers, okay? And a couple little, not tricks, but I would say markers that you should use when we're doing these things, saying these numbers, that will help us out tremendously, okay? So here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna have the place value chart. We're gonna learn about the ones period, which is ones, tens, hundreds. Cross that comma, we're into the thousands period, which is thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. And then into the millions period, which is millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, okay? So next thing that we're going to do is working on some whiteboard work, and we'll get together and work on that. Your teacher will also have a copy of this chart for you to pass out, so you can use it in your in a lesson. Okay, so hang tight. We'll be right back.